Hello and welcome to the second part of TurboSound's guide to the Ease Focus 2 software. To create an audience zone, simply select the desired shape and then click on the top view window. Alternatively, click and drag out the shape with your mouse. For this example, we want to change the orthogonal side. And to do this, go to the orthogonal side option on the left panel and change it from right to left. You can also right-click on the shape and then select Edit, Flip Vertically. For the next part of our guide, we're going to adjust the grid size so that instead of being relative to the zoom level, it's a constant size of 5 meters. This is helpful when moving and resizing objects. We can copy and paste our current audience zone to create a new identical zone. To place it, we first flip it vertically and then snap the required point to our previous audience zone. We can select the handle to rotate the zone around the snapped point until the two edges line up. We displace the zone in the Y direction by 1 meter, and this is to account for an aisle between those two zones. Now we're going to add the left balcony. We can create a zone by right-clicking on the top view, selecting Add Audience Zone, and then we're going to choose Annular Sector. We can then manipulate this to the correct size and rotation. Rotations can be changed either with the handle or using the left panel. When using the left panel, the center of rotation is set as the center of the audience zone, in this case, the stage. Whereas when using the handle, the rotation is about the front center point of the zone. After we've inserted all our audience zones, our model will look like this. We can then use the side view to modify more properties of individual audience zones. Modifications can be made either as drawings in the view window or as value changes on the left panel. They allow the adjustment of the audience height at certain points. Also, distinctions can be made whether the audience is sitting, standing, or any combination of the two. Different audience locations within a zone can be named too. The side view uses a DZ coordinate system. The D parameter represents the distance from the front of the zone. This, along with tilt angle, can be freely adjusted. The properties of one area can be copied to other areas. This can be done either by selecting the area, clicking Copy Areas, and then pasting to any other zones, or by clicking on the Copy Areas button in the Object Properties, and then selecting which zones to copy to. If we try to place the balcony height at 7 meters, we'll find that the balcony height is restricted to 4. This is because the maximum tilt angle we can set is 45 degrees. To solve this issue, we need to adjust the second height variable of the balcony to a more reasonable level, and then adjust accordingly to our space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back for part 3 of our Ease Focus 2 guide.